In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add age verification to your Squarespace site. This feature is especially useful for businesses dealing with products that have age restrictions, such as alcohol or tobacco, ensuring compliance with legal requirements, and providing a user-friendly experience on your website. We'll use a service called Common Ninja to accomplish this. First, go ahead and open your browser and navigate to the Common Ninja website. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Widgets Plus option in the website menu. Widgets are tools that will help enhance your Squarespace site by adding functionality like age verification. After clicking on Widgets Plus, you'll find a search bar where you'll type in age verification. This search will help you quickly locate the age verification widget among various options, which streamlines the process of finding the exact tool you need. Once you've identified the age verification widget, click on it to begin the setup process. You'll be presented with an option to create age verification. Click on this to initiate the creation of your widget. This setup process is user-friendly, and Common Ninja does a great job of guiding you through it. After setting it up, it's crucial to click on Publish to ensure your changes are applied. This action will make your widget live and visible to everyone visiting your site. Once published, remember to click on Save Widget. This step secures your settings and, importantly, makes the widget ready to integrate with your Squarespace platform. It's best to choose a specific folder for saving your widget, which helps in keeping your work organized, especially if you handle multiple projects or widgets. Having saved the widget, proceed to click on Save Changes to reaffirm your modifications. The next step involves copying the code for the age verification widget. It's this code that you'll integrate into Squarespace to activate age verification. Now let's integrate this into your Squarespace site. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the section of your website where you want the age verification to appear. Look for the option that says Add Block and click on it. Among the available options, select Embed. This is where you can embed custom code snippets. Next, enter the edit mode for the embed block. In this mode, you'll see an option labeled Code Snippet. Click on this, as it's the placement for your code. Here, you'll paste the embed code you copied from Common Ninja. Make sure that you're pasting it correctly to ensure functionality. Once pasted, it's time to save your work by clicking on Save. This step finalizes your integration, enabling the age verification process on your site. You should check to see that everything is working properly by visiting your website and verifying the age verification prompt appears as expected. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added an age verification feature to your Squarespace website, enhancing its professionalism and ensuring compliance. Feel free to leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching.